Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wow, 2 videos in 1 week, bish. But okay, I wanted to get on here because it is now officially November 1st. I think I will probably upload this tomorrow, which will be Friday, which will be November 2nd. But today it's November 1st. I did manage to sew a couple things, literally like 3 things for the month of October. I did not do costumes this year. Usually every year, besides this year, all the previous years I've always made like our own costumes and stuff, but this year I didn't even dress up. Did you guys notice I ended up cutting my hair? I didn't dye it. I didn't do anything new to it. All I did was cut it. There's no added color. Here, let me show you. I'm actually going to be letting this color grow out and maybe go full blonde. I don't know. So many decisions when it comes to hair, you know? But welcome back again. And the first, I'm wearing something that I sewed. So let me back it up. So I made this. This is one of the first things that I've made. I've been working out. I don't know if you could tell. I'm just kidding. But this is one of the first things that I've made. Yeah, and I really like it. I added the waistband to it to lengthen it out a bit more, and I really like it. I like it a lot. It was one of the first things that I made, so it's kind of like choppy, but I mean, nobody can tell. I wear it to the pool all the time, so it's fine. But this pattern is this one. It's the new look. It's the new look. I got this maybe 2 years ago. I don't even know if they sell it, but this is the one I have, and I really, really like it.
I've been wanting to do like these two, maybe like sports bras and this, but I don't know.
I've seen the jumper on other videos, and I don't like this. I don't like that. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this one. And I made this for my daughter. I will post pictures of it. But I made this really cute little Halloween dress. It's little bats, and it ended up fitting her too big. I had to like add an elastic waistband because it was way too big. You know, it doesn't look big like here, but then they put it on and it's like, all I see is fabric. I don't even see your little arms, you know? But yeah, I'll post pictures. Okay. And the next thing is this really, I made a toaster sweater and I lengthened it. I will post pictures of it. So it's coming to be winter again, so I made a toaster sweater, and this fabric was only like $4.
For 2 yards. $4 for 2 yards. Yeah. And it's really like
Soft, and I like it. I like the inside of it too. It's really soft. I don't know. But yeah, I really like this one, and I lengthened it. I actually made it pretty long. Let me see. This is the back part.
Let me see if you guys can see. I'm just gonna throw it on. Who needs pictures when I can just throw it on?
But see, look how cute it is. Like, I wish it had pockets. Maybe like for my next one, if anybody has a hack on how to like insert a little pocket, that would be perfect. See the arms? I really like it with some really cute like black skinny jeans. Yeah, that would be cute. I'm really liking this hairstyle. It's like, I really like it. I never thought I would be a person that could pull off short hair, but I don't know, I like it. What do you guys think? I really like it, you know? I like the blonde in it. It's cute. But yeah. I also sewed a weighted blanket, and I will put pictures of that now. Alright, so this weighted blanket earlier in October, it was actually the first thing that I sewed. I'm in the process of sewing another weighted blanket, like a 23-pound blanket. And let me know, do you guys want me to record a video of how I sew like such a large blanket? It's gonna be huge, so big. But let me know if you guys want to see like a video towards that. I don't know. Let me take this off now because I'm feeling a little congested. I also wanted to add in this video some things that I wanted to sew. I don't know, like, let me know if you guys like these videos. I don't know, you know. So some things that I'm going to be sewing. See, this is wrong. I should have made this should have been more like down, but I made it like way up here for some reason. I don't know. So I am going to be making another romper simply because I live in Arizona. There are 2 seasons in Arizona.
Blazing oven hot. Blazing oven hot. Like, it gets hot here. And spring. And then it gets hot, and then it's spring. There's no winter or fall, or there's no seasons here. It's just hot and spring, like, you know what I mean?
So wearing a romper, like, it's an outfit of the year. Like, I'm going to be making more of these. I feel like these will be a staple in my closet. And I'm also going to be, I don't know, I really want to make these shorts. I
never get to them. I don't know if I'm, like, see, it says easy, but I feel like that's a lie.
But I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Have any of you ladies made these? Do you like these? I'm gonna try it, but see, I wanted to make these, but they just look so complicated. They look not fun or easy to sew, or I feel like I'm gonna get a headache sewing these. So for any of you ladies that sewed these, let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you find it easy? Do you just not sew shorts? I don't know.
I like shorts. I'm a romper, like romper, shorts, leggings, dresses.
The only dress that I would probably continue to make is this one by the Friday Pattern Company, because I really like it. I like how it fits me. I like everything about this dress. I like how it hugs me in the right areas. And because I'm losing weight and working out again too, like it just looks a lot nicer on me now too. Like that white one, before I would have to wear a faja, but now I don't have to. I don't even have to wear a faja, and I feel really comfortable and relaxed in it. So I will be making more of these. And of course, I'm going to be making more toaster sweaters. It's a staple in mine. Like, I've made, out of all the patterns that I've bought, I've made this one. But the dress I would probably wear on occasion. This one, even the blue one that I made, I still wear all the time. So I'm definitely going to continue to make more of these. This one, I am probably going to get like in a red wine or like a velvet. I definitely want to make like a velvet one so I can wear with like some cute black leggings. And I'm gonna shorten it. The other one is long and it's cute, but I'm gonna shorten it because I'm gonna be wearing leggings underneath. Like, I'm already 5 foot. Like, I need to shorten it to be above the knee, you know, above the knee, and wear some cute leggings and probably some like cute little boots or some, I don't know, something cute with these. But this is really
But see, I'm not gonna wear that dress every day. You know what I mean? Like, I'm probably gonna wear a romper every day, toaster sweater and long sleeve every day to the gym. You see what I'm saying? And this is nice because I don't even have to change. You know what I mean? I don't have to go look for a shirt or shorts. I don't have to look for no two-piece. I can just wear a romper and walk around. That is why I like this one.
If you guys have any like romper patterns that you want to recommend, let me know. Let me know. I know I'm going like in circles now because I also bought this one. This was $1 at Joann's, and I don't know if I should make this one or this one because I want to get leggings. Coming up, I'm going to be sewing definitely another romper, definitely like a couple more toaster sweaters, one of each, hopefully one of each, another romper. I don't know, leggings or shorts, leggings or shorts. You guys have to let me know, leggings or shorts. And then this one I'm probably gonna make so that I can wear for Thanksgiving. So this one I have to sew. You know what I mean? I'm definitely gonna make this one for like Thanksgiving. I think it would look really, really cute. I'm gonna be cooking and I don't know, you know, I think it'll be cute. But yeah, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the new subscribers that have subscribed. I hope that this channel can bring you guys some good vibes, good, I don't know, just good vibes. You throw positivity out there and you receive it back. You know what I mean? But yeah, everything will be down in the description below. My Facebook page along with my Etsy shop and all the sewing pattern names. Yeah, questions or anything like that, just get a hold on me. Bye.